Primary Schools quiz. Another interesting round, and this is the second part of the third and final round. This is the speed round. The speed round. And each school has 1 minute to answer 5 questions. If you don't know the answer, you can ask me to move on, or else I will stay there and look at you. Okay? Are we ready? Yes. Great. So I'm going to start with you, Afos Lovely School. Afos Lovely School. And your 1 minute starts now. According to local historic tradition, the founder of Edna or Elmina was?
Pass.
Which powerful warrior kingdom ruled Salaga in the ancient times?
Gonja.
Gonja is correct. What is the value of x in the equation 200 minus x is equal to 175?
Pass.
A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by?
Pass.
The byproduct of respiration is called? The byproduct of respiration.
200.
No, the byproduct of respiration. Pass. Okay, so I'll go back to the questions. What is the
25.
value? That is correct. A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by what? A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by what?
1.
No. So 2 out of 5. Amazing Grace, it's your turn. And your 1 minute starts now. Who in 1985 was recognized as the first black person to perform a heart transplant?
Sir Francis Alote.
No.
Move on.
Which town in the olden days was referred to as the San Francisco of West Africa?
Please move on.
What is the value of 10 minus into bracket 2 plus 6? 10 minus into bracket 2 plus 6.
Move on.
A fortnight and a day makes how many days? A fortnight and a day makes how many days? How many days?
41.
No.
Move on.
Nouns that can be felt but cannot be touched are known as?
Abstract nouns.
That is correct. I'll go back to your question. Who in 1985 was recognized as the first black person to perform a heart transplant?
Move on.
Which town in the olden days was referred? And you've been bailed out. All right. Hybrid Montessori is your turn. And your 1 minute starts now. In which year did the Europeans come to Gold Coast?
1471.
That is correct. The chief of Elmina at the arrival of the first Europeans was?
Nana Kwame na answer.
That is correct. What is the correct sum of 3.42 plus 1.6?
Pass.
The place value of 4 in 36420 is?
Hundreds.
That's correct. A word is said to be an adverb when it
describes a verb, another adverb, or an adjective.
That is correct. That is correct. So you've answered all. The third question, what is the correct sum of
4.02.
No, come again.
5.02.
5.02 is correct. And so you got all correct. So that brings us to the end of the third and final round. Oh, what an interesting contest it has been. Very, very competitive. Let's see who gets what at the end of the day and which school qualifies to the semi-finals